In this segment, I'll demonstrate how to use video conferencing software. Video conferencing software are applications or apps that you use to have group calls with one or more persons for online classes or meetings. A key feature of video conferencing software is that it allows you to see and hear other participants on a call. Popular video conferencing software include Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. For this demonstration, I'll take you through the standard features of video conferencing software using Google Meets. Keep in mind, all of these features are common across all video conferencing software. Joining a classroom session on Google Meet is pretty simple. In some cases, your teacher will circulate a link via email, WhatsApp, or place the link on a web page for you to simply click to join the classroom session. In other instances, your teacher may circulate a meeting code, which you will enter into Google Meet to join the class. Before you join a call, it is important that you test your speaker, mic, and camera. This is done by accessing the settings in the video conferencing app, where you can configure your audio and video settings. While many apps can be used for video conferencing, the following features are common across all. Turning your mic on and off. During a call, your mic can be turned on or off by clicking this icon. When your mic is turned on or unmuted, the icon appears like this. And now everyone can hear you, including your background noise. When your mic is turned off or muted, the icon appears like this, and no one can hear you nor your background noise. Turning your camera on and off. When in a call, your camera can be turned on or off by clicking this icon. When your camera is turned on, the icon appears like this, and now everyone can see you and your surroundings. When your camera is turned off, the icon appears like this, and no one can see you nor your surroundings. Chatting. Another key feature of video conferencing app is chatting. This feature allows you to type and send messages to all participants. You can also view messages from other participants. To enter the chat, click on the icon that appears like this. The chat panel should open and all messages can be viewed here. To send a message, click here. Type the message and then click send. It is important to note that once a message is sent, it cannot be removed or deleted. View participants. Video conferencing apps allows you to view the participants on a call. To view the participant, click on the icon that appears like this. The list of participants will appear on the screen. Screen sharing. This feature is mostly used by teachers for presentations. The icon for screen sharing appears like this. When used, all participants will view the specific window that is being shared on the screen. Raising your hand. The raise hand icon appears like this. Once used, all participants will see the icon next to your name or on your video. Like in a physical classroom, this feature is used by participants to indicate they have a question or contribution. During a class, unless otherwise instructed by your teacher, it is recommended that you keep your mic muted unless you are asking a question or contributing. Choose appropriate surroundings before joining the call. Your surroundings should have limited background noise and should have an appropriate background that does not cause distractions to other participants. You can use a virtual background if your surroundings are not appropriate and if allowed by your teacher. Use appropriate profile picture or name so that you can be easily identified by your teacher. Inform your teacher when you are temporarily stepping away from the class by using the chat feature or verbally. If the app you are using allows, use the raise hand feature to indicate you have a question or contribution. Wait until the teacher acknowledges before you unmute your mic. Finally, at the end of your class, after all pleasantries are exchanged, you can leave by clicking or tapping the end button.